health benefits of cinnamon you need to know. Cinnamon is a very powerful seasoning that has been used medicinally for thousands of years all over the world. It's used by so many cultures because of its health benefits, not to mention its sweet and spicy taste that is so used in wide variety of recipes. In today's video, we will point out 10 reasons for you to include cinnamon in your diet. Number 1. Fights diabetes. Cinnamon has great benefits for diabetics as it helps lower blood sugar levels and improve the body's sensitivity to insulin, a hormone that is essential for keeping sugar levels stable. Number 2. Source of antioxidants. Cinnamon is considered to be the spice with the highest concentration of antioxidants. Because of this, it's able to reduce the damage caused by free radicals in addition to slowing down aging. Number 3. Protects the brain. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, both of which reduce the effect of aging on the body and brain. According to the research, the antioxidant properties of cinnamon help protect the brain from neurological problems such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Number 4. Protects against cancer. Cinnamon has a compound called cinnamyl aldehyde, which according to the studies has the ability to inhibit the growth of cancerous tumors in addition to protecting DNA from damage. It also promotes apoptosis, self-destruction of cancer cells. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon's antioxidants have anti-inflammatory properties which can help prevent health disease, neurological diseases, and even cancer. Number 6. Protects the heart. Among the biggest villains that causes heart disease, we can cite high cholesterol, high levels of triglycerides, and high blood pressure. Studies have shown that cinnamon has the ability to reduce the levels of these 3 risk factors. Number 7. Protects your teeth. Cinnamon in the form of an extract has proven very effective in protecting against bacteria that inhabit our mouth and that causes cavities, bad breath, and even tooth loss. Cinnamon essential oil has been shown to be even more effective and can be used as a mouthwash.